Your Backyard Pro smoker comes with all of the labeled parts that you need to assemble it. Begin by inserting the 4 casters into the smoker's legs. Then slide the 2-prong connecting pieces onto the legs and lock them into place. Slide the 4 supporting bars onto the legs and tighten them. Next, place the bottom panel on the legs and tighten it. Then use 8 bolt A pieces to secure the 4 support parts into the corners of the bottom panel. Once you've secured the supports, install the back panel board with 5 bolt A pieces. Repeat the same process for the front panel. Complete the frame by installing the left and right side panels. Each side panel needs 8 bolt A's. Next, install the air vent handles on both side doors by using 2 bolt A pieces and 4 nut C pieces. Now insert the doors onto the grill body. Take 3 bolt A's and 3 nut C pieces. To affix the left side lid lock handle to the side panel and the air vent to the side door. Then use 1 bolt A and 1 nut C piece to affix the right side lid lock handle with the side panel. Next, use 4 bolt A's to attach the middle support panel to the grill body. Then attach the charcoal pan support bar to the front and side panel with 10 of the bolt A's. Install the lid hinges with the grill's back panel with 6 bolt B's. Place the charcoal pan atop the charcoal pan support bar. Install the handles onto the grate holder by using 16 bolt D's and 8 lock pin E's. Then slide the grate holder into the body of the grill. Lay the stainless steel grates onto the grate holder. Install the lid handle to the lid with 2 bolt A's. Add the hinges to the lid with 6 bolt B's. Attach the lid to the grill with 3 sleeve F pieces and 3 lock pin E pieces to secure it. Add the lid's finishing touches by installing its 2 thermometers. Then use 8 bolt A's and 8 nut C's to install the lid's grill stack. Next, install 2 bolt G's to the lid with 2 nut C's. Finally, slide the ash pan into the grill. Your smoker is now fully assembled and ready to be used.